The rise of the Andes Mountains pushed rivers and lakes eastward, causing the Amazon River to change its flow from westward to eastward, emptying into the Atlantic Ocean. This shift transformed a vast watery landscape into a giant, nutrient-rich and humid tropical rainforest. This transformation created the perfect environment for the development of one of the most biodiverse forests in the world, known as the Amazon. The Amazon rainforest, renowned for its untamed beauty and vastness, spans across 9 South American countries: Brazil, Peru, Colombia, Venezuela, Ecuador, Bolivia, Guyana, Suriname, and French Guiana. At the core of this magnificent forest lies Brazil, which covers approximately 60% of its total area, acting as a massive green lung for our planet. Rooted in a stable geological foundation, the Amazon is a natural treasure trove, enriched by nutrient-packed alluvial deposits delivered by the Amazon River and its numerous tributaries over millions of years. The landscape is predominantly made up of lowland plains and river valleys, dotted with hills and swift streams, creating a diverse and vibrant natural mosaic. The Amazon is distinguished by its dense green layers of vegetation, from the deep-rooted plants on the forest floor to the towering canopy where sunlight barely penetrates. The Amazon River, resembling a silver ribbon, weaves its way through the forest, carrying essential water and nutrients that sustain life in every corner. It serves not only as the lifeblood of the forest, but also as a symbol of enduring vitality within a rich and resilient ecosystem. The Amazon rainforest is an ecological wonder, where life thrives with a complexity and diversity that's unmatched anywhere else on Earth. Home to about 390 billion trees across 16,000 species, the Amazon is a vast green mosaic of life. Astonishingly, just 100 tree species account for 50% of all the trees, showcasing the remarkable ecological balance in this forest. A 2023 study published in Science Advances suggests that the Amazon could host up to 80,000 different plant species. Every year, researchers discover around 50 to 70 new plant species, uncovering secrets hidden deep within the forest. The Amazon is home to about 10% of all known species on Earth, including over 2,200 species of fish, 1,300 species of birds, 427 species of mammals, 430 species of amphibians, and 380 species of reptiles. Beyond its towering trees and iconic animals, the Amazon is a goldmine of microorganisms, with millions of bacteria and fungi playing vital roles in nutrient cycling and breaking down organic matter. This extraordinary diversity highlights the adaptability and resilience of life in one of the planet's most challenging, yet resource-abundant environments. The underground environment of the Amazon rainforest is composed of a nutrient-rich layer of humus, where decomposition occurs rapidly due to the humid tropical climate. According to a 2023 study in the Journal of Tropical Ecology, the Amazon has the capacity to store over 100 billion tons of carbon in its humus layer, playing a crucial role in regulating the global climate. Here, more than 2,000 species of fungi were recorded in 2024, forming a complex ecological network that connects plants and microorganisms, functioning like the forest's underground nervous system. They form symbiotic relationships with tree roots, aiding in the absorption of water and minerals from the soil, which contributes to the fertility and vitality of the Amazon rainforest. This rich soil forms the foundation of the Amazon, where apex predators reign supreme. Beneath the decaying leaf litter on the Amazon forest floor lies a world not only dominated by large predators, but also home to over 430 species of amphibians, each with its own unique survival strategy. Among these, the poison dart frog stands out, known scientifically as dendrobates, a sophisticated hunter with a hidden strength packed within its tiny body. These frogs prey on small insects like ants, termites, and spiders, using the dry leaves and tree roots as perfect hiding spots, waiting for the right moment to strike. Environment and their quick reflexes make them formidable, yet unpredictable, predators. Their vibrant colors, red, blue, yellow, and orange, serve as a powerful warning to any potential predators that this small creature harbors a potent weapon, batrachotoxin. This toxin, one of the most powerful found in nature, can paralyze the nervous system of its prey and can even be lethal. Even smaller than the poison dart frogs are the insects and microorganisms that tirelessly work beneath the soft soil of the Amazon rainforest. These tiny creatures play a crucial role in breaking down organic matter, enriching the soil, and sustaining the nutrient cycle. Among them, leaf-cutter ants stand out as tireless workers, active both day and night. They cut leaves from surrounding plants and carry them back to their nests to cultivate a special type of fungus, which later becomes food for the entire colony. Each leaf-cutter ant colony can contain millions of members, creating a complex and highly efficient division of labor. The soldier ants protect the nest, while the worker ants handle the cutting and transport of leaves. Underground, a leafcutter ant nest can stretch up to 26 feet, 8 meters wide, forming an intricate network of chambers filled with fungus and larvae, carefully protected from predators and the harsh conditions of the environment. Rising 100 to 165 feet above the forest floor, where sunlight filters through the dense canopy of ancient trees, the high canopy of the Amazon rainforest is a vibrant and unique world. This crucial ecological layer regulates the climate and balances the forest ecosystem by reducing water evaporation, maintaining humidity, and shielding the species below from harsh sunlight. The high canopy stores up to 40% of the Amazon's carbon, playing an essential role in mitigating the impacts of climate change. Over 20,000 different plant species thrive here, including broadleaf trees and epiphytes uniquely adapted to capture sunlight. The canopy is a distinct world where about 50% of the Amazon species can live their entire lives without ever touching the ground. One such resident of the canopy is the sloth, scientifically known as bradypus, a mammal that spends about 90% of its time hanging from trees. As one of the slowest animals in the world, the sloth moves at a speed of just about 0.15 miles per hour. This sluggish pace is a result of its specialized diet, which consists mainly of cecropia leaves, flowers, and fruits, a diet low in nutrients but abundant in the canopy. The sloth's digestive system has evolved to process the cellulose from leaves, with digestion taking up to 30 days, allowing it to survive on minimal food. A sloth consumes only about 160 calories a day, compared to the 2,000 to 3,000 calories needed by animals of similar size. Sloths have long, curved claws to grip tree branches securely, and their thick fur often becomes covered in moss and green algae, providing excellent camouflage among the leaves. The sloth's dense fur is home to moths, which help the sloth by feeding on algae and fungi that grow on its fur. This symbiotic relationship between the sloth and the moth creates a tiny but intricate ecosystem on the sloth's body. In the dense canopy of the Amazon, as night falls or dawn breaks, eerie howls echo through the stillness. These are the calls of the howler monkey, scientifically known as alouatta. Their howls can carry up to 3 miles, allowing members of their troop to communicate and ensuring no one gets lost in the vast jungle. With a uniquely developed larynx, howler monkeys produce the loudest sounds of any primate, serving as declarations of territory and warnings to other troops to stay away. These howls also create a natural alert system within the canopy, where danger is always lurking from powerful predators, helping maintain order in the ecosystem. The spider monkey, scientifically known as a teles, is a master of survival in the lofty canopy of the Amazon. These monkeys rarely set foot on the ground. They spend their entire lives suspended among the high branches, where they forage for food, reproduce, and care for their young. The spider monkey's body is perfectly adapted for life in the trees. With long arms and a prehensile tail that acts as a fifth limb, they move swiftly and gracefully through the branches, much like skilled acrobats. Their tail, which can reach up to 35 inches in length, is so strong that it can grip branches firmly and even support the monkey's entire weight as it hangs. Spider monkeys can travel through the treetops at speeds of up to 15 miles per hour, an impressive pace that helps them evade predators and reach abundant food sources. Toucans, belonging to the family Rhamphastidae, are vibrant symbols of the Amazon rainforest. These birds are instantly recognizable by their large, brightly colored beaks, which measure about 6 to 7.5 inches long and account for up to a third of their body length. This beak is not just a feeding tool, but also a marvel of biology. Made of keratin with air pockets inside, a toucan's beak is as light as a feather, allowing them to fly easily through dense foliage. Remarkably, the beak also serves as a natural radiator, helping regulate their body temperature in the hot tropical environment. Toucans are experts at surviving in the treetops. They nest in tree cavities, safely away from ground-dwelling predators. Their strong legs and sharp claws help them grip branches securely and move nimbly among the leaves. Living in small flocks, toucans communicate with loud calls, not only to stay connected, but also to warn of approaching threats. Toucans are also key players in the Amazon's ecosystem as seed dispersers. When they consume fruit, they digest and spread the seeds through their droppings. This makes toucans one of the most effective seed dispersers among Amazonian birds, helping to maintain plant diversity and support forest regeneration. In the high canopy layer of the Amazon rainforest, the great horned owl quietly nests in tall trees, sometimes reusing the nests of other birds or creating new ones. The great horned owl, scientifically known as Bubo virginianus, is one of the largest owl species, with a body length ranging from 18 to 25 inches and a wingspan of 3.3 to 4.8 feet. Although common across North and South America, this large owl plays a vital role in the canopy ecosystem of the Amazon. Beneath the towering canopy layer of the Amazon rainforest, at a height of about 20 to 30 meters above the ground, lies a world of dappled light, where sunlight filters through the layers of trees above. This is a transitional zone, a natural nursery where life flourishes with an incredibly dense concentration of vegetation, accounting for up to 60% of all plant species in the Amazon. The broad, overlapping leaves create an almost continuous cover, protecting and nurturing thousands of unique plant and animal species. The rainforest canopy is home to approximately 75% of the mammal species in the Amazon rainforest. This ecosystem acts as a protective cushion, shielding the lower layers from strong winds and rain, while also providing shade and maintaining moisture levels for the entire forest. A distinctive feature of the rainforest canopy is the abundance of epiphytic plants, those that do not grow from the ground but instead live symbiotically on larger trees, drawing water and nutrients from the air and rain. Meanwhile, insects play a crucial role in the ecosystem, with an estimated 2.5 million species living in the rainforest. These tiny creatures not only contribute to pollination and the decomposition of organic matter, but also help maintain the ecological balance of the forest. Notably, many insects in the rainforest canopy have evolved into masters of camouflage, blending seamlessly into their surroundings. Katydids, scientifically known as Tetygonidae, are a prime example of natural camouflage. Their bodies are designed to perfectly mimic leaves, from the veins to the color, and even the marks left by insect bites. Katydids can change their body color with the seasons, matching the changing leaves and allowing them to remain hidden from the sharp eyes of predators. In the rich world of the Amazon rainforest, thousands of species of arachnids, including spiders, scorpions, mites, and ticks, thrive and flourish. Among them, spiders dominate, making up about 80% of the total arachnid species recorded in the canopy layer, where sunlight barely penetrates through the dense foliage. Many spider species in the rainforest canopy have evolved sophisticated camouflage techniques. The crab spider, scientifically known as Thomisidae, is a master of changing its body color to blend with its surroundings, from the green of leaves to the brown of tree bark. This ability not only helps them avoid predators, but also makes them stealthy hunters, allowing them to strike at unsuspecting prey. Other spiders, like orb-weaving spiders, use webs to catch their prey with a success rate of up to 50%. Their large orb-shaped webs, made from incredibly strong silk, capable of withstanding forces 5 times stronger than steel of the same weight, enable them to trap larger insects such as butterflies and bees. In contrast to web-spinning spiders, the Goliath tarantula is an ambush predator. Hiding underground, it detects the slightest movements in its surroundings through sensitive hairs on its tiny plant materials to build their nests. These nests are very small, just big enough to hold their eggs and chicks, offering protection from predators. The survival rate of the chicks in the canopy environment largely depends on the mother's ability to build the nest in a safe and hidden location. Hummingbirds are primary pollinators, responsible for about 25% of pollination in the upper layers of the Amazon rainforest. With their long, slender tongues, they can extract nectar from flowers that other birds cannot reach. They have the highest metabolic rate of any bird species, consuming an enormous amount of energy relative to their body size. Their heart rate can reach up to 1,200 beats per minute while flying, allowing them to quickly move from flower to flower in search of food. At the beginning of the dry season, from July to December, when the Amazon rainforest is abundant with food and favorable weather, macaws begin their nesting season. They are meticulous in selecting their nesting sites. Around 80% of macaw species in the Amazon choose to nest at heights of 20 to 30 meters above the ground, within the dense canopy layer, where they can easily monitor and protect their nests from potential threats. Macaws particularly favor trees like the Saber pentandra, with thick trunks and sturdy roots, that help minimize the risk from predators such as snakes and monkeys. During the nesting season, they spend about 70% of their day foraging, ensuring that their chicks receive enough nutrition to grow strong and healthy. They use loud calls that echo throughout the forest and their vibrant plumage as vivid warning signals to deter potential threats. The bright colors of their feathers not only attract mates, but also serve as an effective visual tool for nest protection. Additionally, macaws often cooperate with other members of their flock to defend their nests and territory, creating a collective security network that enhances the survival chances of the entire group. Beyond the vast rainforests, the Amazon harbors another world. Mysterious caves formed by the weathering of limestone and sandstone over millions of years. These caves create a complex network of underground chambers, subterranean streams and lakes. Inside these dark spaces, the unique living conditions of high humidity and stable temperatures have driven the special adaptation of various organisms, turning these caves into self-contained ecosystems. In this low-light environment, many organisms rely on limited energy sources, primarily from organic material brought in from outside or from bacterial chemosynthesis. Chemosynthetic bacteria use chemical compounds as an energy source instead of sunlight, forming the base of the food chain in many cave ecosystems. They produce organic material through chemosynthesis, supplying energy to other species within this self-contained ecosystem. The vampire bat, scientifically known as Desmodus rotundus, is a distinctive species of bat found in the Amazon rainforest, where they live in high densities, sometimes up to 8 individuals per square meter in favorable caves. The cave environment, with its darkness and stable humidity, provides the perfect refuge for vampire bats, allowing them to avoid predators and conserve energy throughout the day before beginning their nightly hunt. As the only bat species in the world that specializes in hematophagy, vampire bats require about 20 milliliters of blood each night to survive. They use their sharp teeth to make a small incision in the skin of their prey and then use their tongues to lap up the blood. This process is carried out quietly, thanks to an enzyme called draculin in their saliva, which acts as an anticoagulant and pain reliever, preventing the prey from immediately noticing the wound and allowing the blood to flow continuously. The social behavior of vampire bats is also quite complex. If an individual bat fails to find food, other members of the group often share their blood meal with it. This behavior not only strengthens bonds within the group, but also serves as a critical survival mechanism when food sources are scarce. The Amazon River, stretching approximately 4,000 miles, is the longest river by water volume, flowing through 7 South American countries before emptying into the Atlantic Ocean. The Amazon River ecosystem is divided into 2 main types of water: white water and black water. The white water region, with its flow originating from the Andes, carries nutrient-rich sediments, creating an ideal environment for the thriving of plant-eating fish and invertebrates. In contrast, the black water region is more acidic. When river waters recede and leave behind shallow lakes, pirarucu pairs begin their breeding journey. Pirarucu, also known as Arapaima, has the scientific name Arapaima gigas. This is the largest freshwater fish in the world, capable of reaching up to 10 feet in length and weighing over 485 pounds, making it a formidable predator in the Amazon River ecosystem. In the oxygen-poor waters of the Amazon, pirarucu has developed an additional respiratory organ that allows it to extract oxygen directly from the air. Every 15 to 20 minutes, pirarucu must surface to breathe, a survival strategy essential in the harsh conditions of the Amazon. A master of ambush, pirarucu often hides in murky waters. With its massive and muscular body, it can lunge at prey with incredible speed. Its large mouth creates a powerful suction force, enabling it to capture a wide range of prey, from small fish to amphibians and even birds or small animals that fall into the water. However, the true nightmare for many creatures in the Amazon River is the black caiman. This crocodilian, scientifically known as Melanosuchus niger, is the largest in South America, reaching lengths of up to 20 feet and weighing as much as 1,100 pounds. With a lifespan of up to 70 years, the black caiman possesses remarkable endurance. It can survive without food for weeks, even months, thanks to its ability to store energy as fat. When conditions become harsh, it slows down its metabolism to conserve energy, an optimal survival strategy in the ever-changing Amazon environment. Its jet black skin not only provides perfect camouflage in the dark waters, but also absorbs heat from the sun during the day, helping to maintain body temperature for nighttime hunting. The black caiman's eyes are equipped with a tapetum lucidum layer, reflecting light and enabling them to see clearly in the dark, detecting prey from a distance. As ambush predators, black caimans often remain motionless underwater or hide among shoreline vegetation, waiting for unsuspecting prey to come close before launching a surprise attack. With an incredibly powerful bite, create natural drainage systems to keep their nests dry. Worker ants even relocate the fungus to higher chambers when necessary, ensuring the colony's survival during the harsh, rainy months. The rainy season, rather than being a threat, becomes a time when leafcutter ants demonstrate their remarkable resilience and survival skills. During the rainy season, when flooded forests make movement difficult, clay licks become crowded gathering spots for flocks of macaws. These clay walls are rich in essential minerals, helping macaws neutralize toxins from unripe seeds and fruits, particularly alkaloid toxins. The rainy season is also a crucial time in the macaw breeding cycle. At the clay licks, macaws not only seek mates, but also engage in important social activities. Males often display their vibrant colors and loud calls to attract females and defend their territory from intruders. For giant otters, the largest otter species in the world, the rainy season presents significant challenges. Rising water levels transform their habitat, making hunting more difficult as fish and other aquatic species scatter and hide in the newly flooded areas. Food becomes scarce, while threats from predators like black caimans and anacondas increase, putting the safety of the entire group at risk. Despite these challenges, giant otters demonstrate remarkable adaptability. They alter their hunting strategies, leveraging the strength of their group, which can include 10 to 20 members, to herd fish into shallower, more easily accessible waters. Their powerful swimming abilities and loud, resonant calls help maintain cohesion within the group, forming a strong defensive system against environmental threats. This cooperation boosts the survival rate of giant otters to as much as 70% in these harsh conditions. When the rainy season transforms the landscape into a network of overflowing rivers and streams, food sources become abundant, but nutrients are easily diluted by the floodwaters. During this time, herds of peccaries, wild pigs native to South America, often gather at mineral licks. These mineral-rich areas provide essential nutrients like sodium and calcium, helping peccaries compensate for deficiencies in their daily diet. However, these mineral licks also become dangerous hotspots. Up to 30% of successful jaguar ambushes on peccaries occur at these sites during the rainy season. To survive, peccaries have developed strong social systems and defensive behaviors. They live in large herds, sometimes numbering in the hundreds, and often assign sentinels to keep watch while the others gather minerals. The cohesion within the herd is a crucial factor that helps peccaries navigate the dangers of the rainy season, protecting the group from predators in the complex and diverse Amazon ecosystem. However, the struggle for survival among the animals of the Amazon is not solely challenged by the harsh forces of nature. The vibrant and diverse nature of the Amazon was shaped over millions of years by tectonic activity. Yet, humanity has taken only a few decades to threaten its existence. One of the most pressing issues is deforestation, which not only obliterates the forests that are home to countless species, but also pollutes water sources, severely impacting the aquatic ecosystems. According to the World Meteorological Organization in 2023, the Amazon has lost more than 20% of its original area in just the past 50 years. This loss is not just a statistic. It represents a grave decline in biodiversity and the disappearance of species that have existed for millions of years. Without intervention, it is projected that by 2050, up to 40% of the Amazon rainforest could be gone, leading to the collapse of one of the planet's most critical ecosystems. Climate change is exacerbating the situation. As temperatures rise and rainfall decreases, the Amazon rainforest, once a symbol of abundant life, is now facing devastating wildfires, with once lush areas turning arid and scorched. This consequence would be catastrophic not only for the local ecosystem, but also for the global environment. According to the WWF and a 2024 study published in Nature, around 400 to 500 new species are discovered in the Amazon each year. Yet at the same time, hundreds of species may be vanishing forever before they are even known to humanity. The Earth's green lungs are rapidly depleting due to uncontrolled human actions. The vast forests and the Amazon River are issuing a desperate call for protection against the ongoing disaster. Now more than ever, protecting the Amazon is not just about preserving a forest. It is about safeguarding our future. In the heart of the Amazon rainforest, a silent but fierce battle is unfolding. Conservation efforts, like a small flame in the darkness, are striving to keep the Earth's green lungs from withering away. Here, conservationists are working tirelessly to protect nature reserves and forest areas managed by indigenous communities. According to a 2023 study published in the Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences, these indigenous managed areas have significantly reduced deforestation, helping to conserve over 55 million hectares of the Amazon rainforest. Additionally, non-governmental organizations and national governments have collaborated closely to implement reforestation programs. These successes are not just milestones in conservation efforts, but also reminders that positive change is possible when we collaborate and take action. Each of us can contribute to protecting the Amazon, whether by supporting conservation projects, changing consumption habits to reduce pressure on the rainforest, or speaking out on international platforms to defend the environment. Like a crucial link in the food chain, every action to protect the forest has a ripple effect, helping to safeguard life on Earth. The Amazon needs us, and we need the Amazon, a relationship that is inseparable in the fight to protect our future. Have you ever immersed yourself in the majestic beauty of the Amazon rainforest? If so, share your unforgettable memories in the comments below. Your experiences could become a powerful source of inspiration, spreading the message of the importance of protecting this precious natural treasure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell to join us on more magical adventures where nature's stories are still waiting to be told.